Collagen takes a multi-pronged approach to gut health. Your gut wall, the barrier between the gut and the inside of the body, is only one cell thick. It's extremely fragile and easily damaged by inflammation, certain medications, or food sensitivities, which can cause microscopic tears in the gut wall known as leaky gut. Leaky gut can lead to all sorts of problems, from tiredness, headaches, eczema, or even autoimmune issues. Collagen is a key component of the gut lining, and a large part of that is due to one particular amino acid called glycine. It's glycine that maintains the integrity of the gut wall, as well as playing an important part in fat digestion and detoxification. Collagen is also well known as a peptogenic. It can help support the symptoms of ulcers and too much acidity. Take better care of your gut, and you may even notice your energy levels improve as you absorb more nutrients from what you're eating.